Uh, Hello everyone. Today we're gonna do pretty much like the first unboxing on the channel. So this is a new gadget that I got like brand new, well almost brand new. What is this? As you can see, is a T12, and it says here intelligent lead-free soldering station. So this is the kind of stations that you find branded KSJR or something like that. This one is a bit different. It has another branding, but they're all look the same. So we have two separate boxes in here. And we have a manual that's in Chinese and English at the same time. Yeah. So you can see the drawing of the station already. So open up the first box, see what's inside. Yeah. And in here we have the unit itself. So as you can see, these are pretty popular on the Chinese market and Chinese websites. This is called Le Favor. I don't like French, but it is what it is. I can just scratch that. Anyways, because I've been looking for this to get from AliExpress, but the shipping rates were so high, so I kept waiting until I found one locally and I bought it. So that was the unit. In the other box we have a T12 tip. This is a K type, right? We have the handle, and then we have another tip that is called ILS. This is the conical shape, and it's pretty fine tip. Then we have a power cord for the unit. I'm gonna set the boxes aside and give it a test, a real quick test. What we have here is a knob that is clickable, and you can turn it as well. This is pretty much like your typical, I think, rotary encoder. And we have a plug in here for the handle. So let's plug the power. Yeah, on the back you can see the power. You can see a fuse holder in here at the back that you can change, and we have a power on and off switch there. Doesn't seem to work, like gets stuck sometimes. Okay, no worries. So we're gonna power this thing up, see how it works. There you go. And plug it in. So I've been told that it will give you an error if the handle is not present on the unit. So we're gonna insert that first. So you have a little notch over here that corresponds to another one on the female port, and you just screw this and tighten it down just like that. Alrighty, and then you open up this. You're gonna try the K type tip that I do like. So you just insert it like that there, and you secure it with this piece. Yeah, there you go. So sorry, I think I left it on while I was doing this. Yeah, and as you can see, it's set to 420, and it's increasing. And now it's when it buzzes, it means that it reached the temperature, the required temperature, and then it stops on it. Kind of hovers around that temperature, trying to do its calculation and things like that. Here is some solder. As you might notice, it went it was like quickly reach the temperature, so that's a pretty good thing. We can try and okay, let's set it to 500 because I believe the max was 500. So if you can see right there, we have this LED screen. You can just turn the knob and it sets, and you can set the temperature. And that's it. And the max is 500. So check it out here. It's trying to reach the temperature. It looks like it's struggling to reach 500, and it settles like about 470. So this might take a while. Alright, no worries, since 500 is pretty extreme. So what am I going to do actually is I'm going to decrease the temperature to about 400. Alright, and you can see it went down quickly. It's pretty quick. I like it. I like that in this unit. So I'm gonna turn the supply. You'll see the temperature start increasing and the display went off as the power has been cut. Let me use one holder of mine that I have here. Alrighty, let's power again and see how fast it reaches the temperature. So as you can see, well, to be fair, the tip was already a bit hot, so this was not a good test, but yeah, it's pretty fast. So yeah, overall I like the unit. I do like it so much. I've been trying to get one of these for some time now, and now that I've got it, I'm gonna try it and test it with this tip, and also I'm going to try the other tip if ever I have fine components that I need to solder or desolder. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, two tips are not enough for me, I think, so I'm going to buy more of the tips. This will be easier to get than the station, pretty readily available on AliExpress. So yeah, that was kind of just an unboxing and a quick look at the unit of Lefebvre, whatever that is. Well, I can just say that the T12 soldering station. Very simple station, very simple unit. But in the following video or in a future video, we're going to disassemble this and check what's inside. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And I think to turn it off, you just hold the knob, you click and hold, and it'll turn off, and you'll see the temperature decreasing like that. If you want, you can wait until it goes to about 28 degrees or so, pretty much cold, and then turn off the supply. Or you can turn off the supply as well. It's alright. Okay then, that was it. Thank you for watching and have a good time.